Assalamu alaikum class 4. Hope you all are fine and doing great at home. Don't waste your time in playing. Today we'll start Unit 6 perimeter and area. Anyone have idea about what is perimeter? Good. We have already learned that perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape. So what is perimeter? First we have definition. Perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape. For example, we have a square. Anyone have idea about what is the perimeter in this shape? So according to our definition, the boundary of the closed shape. For example, this is a square and this is the closed shape. The boundary of this shape is called, this is the boundary. Boundary of this shape is called perimeter. Now I have a video to show you. Please watch the video carefully.
Perimeter. Today, let's learn how to find the perimeter of a polygon. The word perimeter comes from two Greek words peri and metron. Peri means around and metron means measure. Thus, perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Hence, it is found by adding the lengths of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Today, we will learn how to find the perimeter of the polygons triangle, rectangle, and square using formulas. Let's start with the triangle. A triangle has three sides, side A, side B, and side C. To find the perimeter of a triangle, we add the lengths of all its sides. Thus, perimeter of a triangle is equal to A plus B plus C. Let's find the perimeter of a triangle having the dimensions P is equal to 7 meters, Q is equal to 8 meters, and R is equal to 10 meters. We know that perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of the lengths of all its sides, which is equal to P plus Q plus R. That is 7 plus 8 plus 10, which is equal to 25 meters. Thus, perimeter of the triangle is equal to 25 meters. Now, let us look at the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. We have already learned that a rectangle has four sides, wherein its opposite sides are equal in length. Thus, the perimeter of rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus breadth. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus 2 into B, where L is the length and B is the breadth, which is equal to twice of length plus breadth. Now, let's find the perimeter of a rectangle having the dimensions length is equal to 18 kilometers and breadth is equal to 12 kilometers. Using the formula, perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into, in brackets, 18 plus 12 is equal to 2 into 30, which is 60 kilometers. Thus, the perimeter of the rectangle is 60 kilometers. Finally, let's look at the perimeter of a square. We know that the lengths of the four sides of a square are the same. Thus, the perimeter of a square can be calculated by adding all the four sides of a square. Thus, perimeter of a square is equal to S plus S plus S plus S, which is equal to 4 times the length of a side. Now, let's find the perimeter of a square having sides of 10 centimeters. Using the formula, perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into 10, which is equal to 40 centimeters. Thus, perimeter of the square is 40 centimeters. Wasn't it easy to find the perimeters of these polygons?
I hope you have watched the video carefully. Now we have to find the perimeter of different shapes. For example, we have a duster. In this duster, we have two different lengths. 2 is breadth and 2 is length. So first of all, we have to find the formula how to find the perimeter of rectangle. Now we calculate the formula of perimeter for rectangle. For rectangle, we have two lengths and two breadths. So according to our statement, perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape. And how we calculate the perimeter? We calculate the perimeter by adding all the sides. So according to our rule, by adding all the sides, we have two lengths and two breadths. But length and breadth are two different quantities. So this is 2L plus 2B. For more verified form, we will take 2 common and length plus breadth. So this is the formula of perimeter. And same for square. In square case, we have 4 lengths, and according to our formula and according to our statement, perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape, and we calculate the perimeter by adding all the sides. So for square, we have length plus length plus length plus length. For square, we have 4n. So these are the two different formulas. For rectangle, we have perimeter is equal to 2 bracket length plus breadth, and for square, we have perimeter is equal to 4n. So when we calculate the formula, when we calculate the perimeter of rectangle, we will use the formula P is equal to 2 bracket length plus calculate the perimeter for square, so we will use perimeter is equal to the 4L. So अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा है? अभी तक हमने पढ़ा है perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape. And how we will calculate the perimeter? We will calculate the perimeter by adding all the sides. But for rectangle, we have two different lengths and two different breadth. So we add two lengths and we add two breadth, and we get the formula perimeter is equal to 2 length plus and breadth. For square, we have four sides are equal. So by according to the formula, by adding all the sides, perimeter is equal to 4L for square. Now class, open your book, open page number 148 and look question number 4. In question number 4, we have look at this shape carefully. Each shape is made up of a small square with each side equal to 1 centimeter. Now, in question number 4, you have seen that we have 4 different shapes A, B, and C, and D. And we have to calculate the perimeter in centimeter and write the area of each shape. Now look at the board everyone. So this is the question number 4. In this question we have 4 different shapes and we have to find the perimeter of different shapes. And what is the perimeter? Good. Perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape. And when we calculate the perimeter of different shape, we simply add the boundary of the shape. So in question number 4, in A part, we have to find the perimeter, and in this question we will calculate only the boundary. So this is the box and the boundary shape is this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the perimeter of this shape A is 12 centimeter. Because perimeter is a boundary of the closed shape, that is why we will add only the boundary. Now in B shape you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 blue. But perimeter is the boundary, so we will add only the boundary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So perimeter of the B shape is 14 centimeter. Similarly, we have C shape. In C shape, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 floors. But for perimeter, we only add the boundary shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So perimeter of this is 14 centimeter. In D shape, we have 4. We have 4 squares. For perimeter, we only calculate the boundary shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is 8 centimeter. So this is the way how we calculate the perimeter of different squares. So you can see that we have different grids, and how we will find the perimeter of different grids. The grid is made up of different sizes, and for perimeter we only calculate the boundary of the squares. Now in B part, A part is find the perimeter of each shape. और perimeter हमने इसका find कर लिया है. Now we have to find the area of these shapes. So perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape. But what is the area? Area क्या होता है? As you all know, area is the inside surface of the shape. So in this figure, boundary is the perimeter. But what is the area? Area is the inside surface. This the area of this square grid. So in this, area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So area of this shape is 7 centimeter square. Area is always in square. Now in V shape, what is the area of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the area of this is 12 centimeter. In C shape, we have area. And what is the area? Area is the inside surface. And you have to calculate the squares and you can write this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 centimeter squares. Area is in squares. Now we have D shape. In D shape, we have four squares, and in according to the for definition, area is the inside surface, so area is 4 centimeter square. So this is our question number 4, in which we have to calculate the area of perimeter and area. What is the perimeter, class? Perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape. What is the area? Area is the inside surface. Now we will discuss about the area and its definition. Now we have definition of area. In previous we have discussed about perimeter. Perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape and the area is the. So the area is the amount of surface a shape covers is called its area. So what is area? Area is the amount of surface a shape covers is called its area. And the formula is length. Area is equal to length multiplied breadth. When we calculate the area of different shape, we use this formula. Area is equal to length multiplied breadth. For example, we have a surface. So what is the area? Area is the inside surface of the shape. So this is your today's lesson, class. In this lesson we have learnt about perimeter and area. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape. And what is the area? Area is the amount of the surface a shape covers. When we calculate the perimeter and area of the different shape, we have two different formulas for perimeter, for rectangle and the for square. And area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. But when we find the area of the square grid, for example, this is the square grid, and we have to find when we find the perimeter of this square grid. In this square grid, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different books. So when we calculate the perimeter is a boundary. So we only add the boundary of the squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is the perimeter of this square, and this is 10 centimeter, and the unit is centimeter. Is in centimeter. But when we calculate the area of this square grid, so we only simply calculate add the boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the area is equal to the 6 centimeter squares, and the unit of this area is squares, because in this area we have two different quantities, length and breadth, and when we multiply this, so we will write the unit in the square. Hope you will understand this concept of perimeter and area. And now do question number 5 from page number 149. Okay, Allah Hafiz.